Inflation stabilizing, more corporates announcing Bitcoin acquisition strategies, and buyer sentiment is taking over. It's Wednesday, January 15th, 2025. I'm your host, Christine Lee. This is CoinDesk Daily.
We all want to believe in something. In Chinese, belief also means trust. We want to trust our systems and each other so we can build a future beyond what we know. Join us at Consensus Hong Kong, where belief becomes real.
Bitcoin surging above 99,000 Wednesday morning in New York, buying sentiment taking over after an unexpected decline in the year-over-year core CPI data, which excludes food and energy costs. It dipped to 3.2% against forecasts for 3.3%. The core pace of inflation is important for policymakers who have expressed at least a modest bit of frustration over its stickiness above 3% as headline inflation fell at a far quicker pace. On a monthly basis, CPI increased 0.4% in December, slightly higher than analyst consensus. On a year-over-year basis, headline CPI was up 2.9% in line with analyst expectations. Bitcoin adoption by U.S.-listed public companies continues full steam ahead. NYSE-listed Genius Group increasing its Bitcoin holdings to $35 million, which was ahead of its scheduled target of $120 million. In the process, it acquired 372 BTC at an average price of just over $94,000 per Bitcoin. The first announcement came on November 12 when it announced its Bitcoin First strategy. NASDAQ-listed Ming-Xin Group, a wet trades work service provider, also purchasing 500 BTC at an average price of just over $94,000 per Bitcoin. MSW shares were up 43% higher year to date. The new wave of Bitcoin treasury adoption surges ahead, with 4 publicly traded companies announcing Bitcoin buys and 7 companies announcing a strategy but no acquisition. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin issuer, is relocating its headquarters to Bitcoin-friendly El Salvador following regulatory approval. Tether CEO Paulo Ardoino saying, "We will build our Tether Tower in San Salvador. Many others will follow," and that the decision is a natural progression for Tether as it allows us to build a new home, foster collaboration, and strengthen our focus on emerging markets. El Salvador's crypto-friendly policies, including adopting Bitcoin as legal tender in 2021, have made it a growing hub for digital asset firms. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.